Can you see me?
Welcome to the ITP Live show. Subscribe if you dare. Today we have beauty educator and makeup artist Hala Owais doing a very special Halloween makeover.
I'm here.
Hey guys, I'm Hala Owais and I'm a beauty influencer and makeup artist on Instagram. So today we're going to be creating some really fun Halloween looks. One is going to be for 5 minutes and one's going to be a full glam. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to start now. So I just created like 2 triangles and then I'm going to go with the same underneath. And now I'm going to do your lip. Sorry, I'm like not talking, all my concentration's on here. I want to make it look nice. I can just go, And I think that's what I love about Halloween is that things don't need to be like perfect. You can always improvise. People think like Halloween makeup's hard, but it's actually not that hard. Natural makeup's actually harder. Okay, I'm going to come back to this. First, we're going to start filling now. So I'm just using like a liner to fill this out. And guys, in like real time, this is not gonna take you any time to create. Of course, because like we're talking, so I'm a little slowed down. Okay, now I'm going in black with black eyeshadow. I'm just gonna like roughly sketch everything. This year, everyone's doing Squid Game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or Cruella.
Yeah, Cruella as well. Oh, we should have done Cruella. I'm just taking the eyeshadow like all the way here, and it works. Okay, now we're gonna put the lashes. It's just that I was waiting for the glue to get a little tacky. And these go on like really easy, like they don't take any time to put on. Yeah. I'm just lining to cover the lash line and like to intensify the color a little bit. So that it looks like super black. Okay, now you just look up for me. I'm just gonna fill this part because we tend to be a little drier underneath the eye. So I always like to use a cream product rather than, going in with a liner. We're almost done. This is almost the last step. I'm getting so excited because there's so much space on her lids. I can do so much. And guys, we are almost done. So this like step is just additional. Because it's really quick, it's just like a glitter glue, so you can just put it a little bit to make it more glam. So first I'm gonna like build with brown and then I'm gonna add black because I don't want you to look like gray. I like this side better. So I'm toning down this side. Okay, done.
Incy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun to dry up all the rain.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna be starting the full glam look. What we're going for is like Swan Lake look, but we're gonna improvise. Swan Lake is all about the eyes, so we're really going heavy on the eyes today. First, I'm gonna create the outline. And I'm just gonna go in the inner corner. Okay, now we're gonna fill in black. So I'm gonna do one eye first, and then I'm gonna go to the second one.
What's your favorite look that you've created?
I think this one time I did a bride and her makeup, like it didn't even look like she had anything on. And I think that was one of that's the thing about like makeup. When you're creating like a look, I think it's harder to achieve some like a no makeup look. Like this is actually easier in comparison to a no makeup look, because you really have to create like a flawless finish and you have to create like there's nothing on. So you see that I've just sketched it out a little bit. I'm just getting like a coat of mascara on because anyway I'm gonna use lashes. Can you look up for me? Okay, so I obviously like to add glitter to everything, so I'm going to do mine.
No.
Okay, I like glitter and everything. I feel like it makes it more pretty.
What finishes the makeup look? What
Lashes.
makes the
That's
look?
It's a really good question because lashes. I just
think
feel
so
like
too.
it really like pops it up, and it's not necessary that you need to go with like heavy lashes every time. You could even apply light ones. Okay, so I've put on one eye and you can see like it's made all the difference. But I'm gonna go in. Do you mind if I go inside like with the eyeliner? Yeah. You can just close your eye. So first I'm gonna go ahead.
Yeah, I like that red.
Yeah, it's gonna look really nice on you.
And do you follow trends? Makeup trends?
Some of them, but like I'm not a person who is completely into trends. Like I don't blindly follow them. Like I have to like, of course, if something like, for example, right now it's a trend to do your brows differently, like it's all about the fluffy brow, so I've been following that. Like, so I've just used like black shadow and we are almost done. Like I'm just doing the finishing touches for the liner. That's what I love
It
about
looks
this.
really nice.
I'm so happy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. That was the Halloween Glam Makeover and the 5-minute look by Hala. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you tag us in your Halloween pictures and like, share, comment and subscribe. See you next week.
Catch me if you can.